Did you know that one small mistake in feeding can cut your strawberry crop in half? And even more interesting, there is a simple natural supplement that can make your strawberries bigger, sweeter, and produce much more fruit. Many gardeners use this trick, but few people talk about it. That's why today we are talking about one of the best natural supplements for strawberries that can completely change your crop. Strawberries are among the most popular fruits that we can grow in the garden. There is hardly a garden in which there are not at least a few rows of these sweet and fragrant fruits. However, everyone who has grown them knows that strawberries can sometimes be unpredictable. The plants look healthy, the leaves are green, but the fruits are small, or there are simply not as many as we expected. In most cases, the reason is very simple. The soil lacks nutrients. Strawberries are plants that quickly consume food from the soil because they constantly create new leaves, flowers, and fruits. If we do not help them with the right nutrition, the plants will not have enough energy to give a plentiful and high-quality harvest. There is an interesting thing that many experienced gardeners have noticed. When a very simple natural ingredient is added around the roots of strawberries, the plants start to grow stronger, the leaves become dark green, and the fruits are often larger and sweeter. What is especially interesting is that this ingredient is found in almost every kitchen. But before I tell you what it is, write in the comments, do you grow strawberries in the garden or maybe in pots on the balcony? I would like to see where you are all watching and how many of you grow these delicious fruits. If you like such simple tips on gardening, natural nutrition, and healthy plant cultivation, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Here, I regularly share little tricks that can make a big difference in your garden. This natural supplement has several very interesting benefits. It can help the soil to be looser, encourages the development of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, and gives plants additional support during growth and fruit formation. Many gardeners claim that after this top dressing, strawberries start to produce more flowers and later more fruits. And now we come to a simple recipe. You only need 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 liter of water. Mix everything well until the soda is completely dissolved. Then gently water the soil around the strawberry plant with this solution. It is important to pour it around the roots, not directly on the fruits. You can use this top dressing approximately every 10 to 15 days. Many gardeners say that after several applications, the plants become stronger and the strawberries produce more abundant and better quality fruits. Now I am curious about something. How many strawberry plants do you have in your garden? Write in the comments. I am really interested in how many of us here grow strawberries and what your experiences are. If you like this kind of content about gardening, natural nutrition, and plant cultivation, support the channel by liking and subscribing. It really means a lot and helps this channel continue to grow. And remember, sometimes the simplest ingredients we already have in the kitchen can make the biggest difference in our garden.